Hello again, welcome to BATUK Storytime. Today I've got The Magical Toy Box by Melanie, Joyce and James Newman Gray. Better show you the front cover. The clock struck 12 at Lucy's house and she was fast asleep. Across the moonlit bedroom floor, shadows began to creep. A sound came from the toy box. The lid creaked and opened wide. "It's time to play," whispered Teddy to all the toys inside. Can you see Lucy sleeping peacefully? Can you see who's coming out of the toy box? Lucy was cuddled up in bed as snugly as could be, so the toys climbed from the toy box and shouted out, "Yippee!" "Shh, now don't wake Lucy. Be quiet, you naughty toys. Bring the disco ball," said Teddy. "Don't make too much noise." Ooh, looks like they're going to have a party with that disco ball. "Woof, woof," said Puppy, wagging his tail, sniffing under the bed. He pulled out the lid of an old board game. "I've got an idea," he said. The toys crept into the hall. So quietly on tiptoe, they climbed on board, and Puppy said, "Hold on tight, let's go." Looks like they're sledging down the stairs. Whoosh! They slid down the stairs with a bumpety bump. Everyone landed thumpety thump. Creak! Teddy opened the living room door. "Come on," he said, "let's go. I found the perfect place for a brilliant toy disco." There they are landing at the bottom of the stairs and Teddy calling them over. Soon the disco ball was glittering. It swirled and whirled around. "Everybody dance," cried Teddy. "Dig that disco sound." Hippo wiggled and Monkey giggled as all the toys began to bop. Singing along as he danced to the song, Bunny went hippity hop. That looks like quite a good party. "Time for a break," cried Teddy as his hungry tummy rumbled. Into the kitchen to find some food, the happy toys all tumbled. They piled their plates with cookies and cake and tasty things to eat. Monkey munched, Croc went crunch, and they gobbled every treat. Ooh, I'm feeling hungry now. At last the toys were really full and couldn't eat one more bite. It was time to tidy up, so Bunny swept the floor. Teddy washed the dishes with a scrub, scrub, scrub. Puppy dried them off with a rub, dub, dub. Look at them, very good tidying up after themselves. Outside, the stars were fading fast and it was nearly dawn. "Back to the toy box, everyone," said Teddy with a yawn. Up the stairs, the toys all climbed as quickly as they could go. Teddy felt very sleepy. His little legs started to slow. Ooh. I wonder if you're feeling sleepy yet. "Hurry," whispered Bunny as he hopped up into the chest. "Hey, wait for me," cried Teddy, who had stopped to take a rest. The toy box lid was closing, so Teddy laid on the floor. Soon he was in a deep sleep and softly began to snore. When morning came, Lucy woke up and shook her sleepy head. She saw the sunshine streaming in and jumped out of her bed. Looking round her bedroom, Lucy blinked and rubbed her eyes. "How did my teddy bear get over there?" she thought to her surprise. "Lovely bear," said Lucy as she kissed and cuddled him tight. "I wonder, what were you doing while I was asleep last night?" the end. I hope you enjoyed the story of the magical toy box and enjoyed all the rhyming words. Perhaps tomorrow you could see what rhymes you could find. Take care, sleep well. Bye.